Hello internet world, I've got a new video for you today. This is the Disney Lorcana Winterspell Collection Starter Set Stitch Edition, and I can't wait to show you what is inside the box. We've got an idea obviously of what's inside the box. We've got 48 randomized cards. You're not guaranteed any particular card. You've also got a collector's card portfolio, a special edition promo card, and a collector's guide as well. So that gives you an idea of what's inside the pack. Obviously the 48 randomized cards are in the booster packs, and we're hoping to pull something really cool out of these packs. Really nice design to the box. I do like that a lot. Very, very cool design. And it's a shame that this is sort of glued, because you can't just open the box easily, and I like to keep these sort of boxes maybe for display purposes. So I'm going to open this at the bottom end down here, just see if I can open it without causing too much damage, but it's glued so well, so I don't think that's going to be possible. I think it's going to need to be just ripped open. Here we go, we are in. Let's see if we can just get this so that I can still display the box afterwards, which I think I'm going to have some okay luck. Looks like it might rip at the end. I know they have to seal these obviously to stop people from taking the cards out whilst it's on display, but there we go. It's not too bad. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So let's open this up and pull this out. Very, very nice packaging. I do like that a lot. Very cool indeed. So let's put that to one side and take a look. So this is the portfolio, collector's card portfolio. Very nice little folder with this like elastic strap on it, so you can keep your cards in there, and then inside the extra bits are sealed in these packs, and you've got somewhere to store your cards. So that's really nice. So a nice little folder to store your cards inside. So moving on to the rest of the contents, we've got a little leaflet here about collecting Disney Lorcana cards, and then we've got our booster pack, so 2, and then there should be another 2 in this side. So we have got another 2 booster packs here, which we're going to open shortly, and then we've got our promo card, which is this like glimmer foil finish card. I think that's what it's called, and it's of Stitch, and that looks to be in good condition, so I'm really pleased with that. Very, very cool. So that's a special promo card that I believe you only get in this collection starter set. So that's the first thing. So I like the promo, and we've got 4 booster packs, so let's see what we get in the booster packs. So number 1, we just trim the tops off first, I think, and then we will reveal the cards. And as I mentioned earlier, you're not guaranteed particular cards. This is the fun of opening booster packs. You never know what you're going to get. Are we going to be able to pull one of the iconics, or a new enchanted or an epic card out of one of these booster packs? I really do hope so. I've never pulled an iconic card yet, so I'm very, very excited to open these. I love opening packs of cards. So let's crack on with this unboxing. We've just got 4 booster packs in here. It's still pretty good value because you're getting the folder and the promo card as well. So let's see what we've got in pack number 1. So we've got a scroll piece, and then we've got Nala, David, Negaduck, Minnie Mouse, Stitch, and Chief Chewy. And then we've got Vixie, we have got Scrooge Counting House, we've got Li Shang, we've got Raging Storm as our super rare, and then we have got Goofy as our second super rare, and then we have got Sven as our foil super rare. So not too bad, not too bad. Let's see if we can improve on that with pack number 2. So we have got a puzzle piece there, and then we've got Pot of Honey, Sarabi, Marching Off to Battle, Snowball Fight, Nearly Indestructible, Piglet, Mother's Necklace, John Smith, Hidden Trap, and then we've got a rare John Smith's Compass, another rare Containment Hut, and then a foil finish Winnie the Pooh. Next pack, we have got our puzzle piece. It's the same piece. And then we've got Isis Vanderchill, Fangmaya, Beast Castle, Boomer, Darkwing Duck, Mickey Mouse, the Frozen Vine, Nani, Darkwing's Gas Device, and then our rare is Witches of Morva, and then we've got another rare of Visiting Christmas Past. Wow, what a pull! That is awesome. We've got an epic of Jiminy Cricket. Oh my goodness, that is a fantastic pull. Out of this collection starter set, we pull an epic of Jiminy Cricket. That is very, very cool indeed. Really pleased with that. Superb pull. Very, very pleased. And then last pack, we have a different puzzle piece. And then we've got Swordplay. We have got Pumbaa, Goofy, Yale, Nanny, Kanga, Simba, Chempo, Judy Hopps. Our rare is Christoph's Loot. We've got a super rare of Beast, and then a foil of Marching Off to Battle. So pretty good. Look at that. We pulled an epic Jiminy Cricket. Brilliant artwork. I think this is a great value box. It's a nice introduction to Disney Lorcana. Winterspell themed, of course, this one. Get a great folder and the promo card, and overall some great cards to open as well. If you enjoyed my video, please do hit that like button. If you want to purchase one of these, there's links in the video description. Oh, and before I sign off, if you've watched all the way to the end of the video, I just want to thank you for watching these videos. I've sort of changed my video content quite a bit on the channel over the last few years, and I find these card unboxing videos really enjoyable to do, and I sort of work at a slower pace now, and I just really enjoy sitting back and doing a more relaxing video. I'd really appreciate if you let me know in the comment section if you enjoy this sort of video. If you do, then I will keep on doing them, and hopefully you get some enjoyment out of seeing the artwork on these really great cards. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in another video really, really soon.